Traffic is gone. Charging stations for Tesla are empty. Petrol is affordable. The bills are extended.
Kids are at home with their families. Parents are home taking care of their children.
Fast food replaced by home-cooked meals. Hectic schedules replaced by naps.
The air seems cleaner and the world quieter. I'm Alex Mondosian.
And I'm Sandra Bravo.
And welcome home to Success Resources Virtual Events, where families that learn together succeed together.
People are conscious about hygiene and health.
We finally listen to authorities and head home when they say so.
Money doesn't seem to make the world go around anymore.
And we now have time, finally, to stop and smell the roses.
And lastly, we become closer to each other and to what we believe in.
It seems like this COVID-19 is a blessing and a reset button for humanity. Please join us for the Mindset Squad for Success Resources Virtual Events,
where you will learn how your mind has the power to shape your reality. Let's master your mind together.